Do you know what the inside layout of this beautiful tiny house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I've taken is the width is 23 feet in meter 7 meter and the length is 23 feet in meter 7 meter. So in the front we have 3 feet wide plantation area and we have door for entrance. After that we'll go inside. So we have living room. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also tea unit on the front wall, and we have two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of living room. On the right side we have kitchen cum dining area. You can see here the kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement, and also we have dining counter with 3 chairs and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose of this area. Also we have rear entrance here. After that we'll go inside. So on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. If we go inside, so on the left side we have bedroom number 1 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And on the right side we have bedroom number 2 here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and two large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And also we have attached powder room with, you can see here the water closet and the ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your house designs, comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.